video, we're gonna be getting actual elements from the web page. So right now we have, we said driver.visit. So basically this driver property here, it has this web page. So let me actually print it, show you what I mean. So if I print a title and I'm gonna run this again, and then it's gonna like open up the browser, and get to that, and see here. Yeah, so you see here we get the title of the page. So this one, vacation homes, blah blah blah. So it's the title, right? It's here, it's the title of this web page. So you can close this. So basically this, after we get it, we have access to that. So through this we can interact with that, but we need to get access to these elements, right? You need to get, like, we need to actually extract the data. We need access to specific HTML elements here. So to do that, we're gonna just say Selenium finders, I think they're called. So if you go on the web page, there's this thing called finders, and basically what it does, it finds specific, elements in. So for example, you can say find element, and you can pass a class name, and that would basically get all the tomato. So here, if you can see here, here we have tomato class, and here we have another tomato class. So if you run this, it would get these two elements. So you would get this and this, right? So you can get it by class name, you can get it by ID, you can get it by, CSS selectors, you can get it the tag name, so you can get all the, lists. And this is kind of an example of how it works. So basically come here and yeah, take a look. So we are interested in, the first thing we need to interested in is this navigation system, right? So because we want to go to farms, and then we will need to read the first 20, listing for the farms, and then we need to go here to get, and then we can go to trend. So we basically need to get access to this element, get the image, so that little icon, and also get the title, so like earth, home, mansion, treehouse, blah. So that's our first job. To do that, you can open up using inspect here, and basically you can just select the element. So I'm just gonna, it's kind of hard to select, but let's click on this. So here we have a label. We don't actually want that. Like in the label, we have an input, okay? In the input, we have a div. And as you can see, the highlight, right? See the highlight? That is what we need. That's like kind of the smallest we need. We can go smaller than that. This one has, right? This one has the image and it has the title. So this is what we need, right? And so what we can do is we can use this class name here. So I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, I'm gonna copy the class name here. Copy this, and then Control F, and I said Control F on here, and then I paste that. You see how the navigation has been highlighted. I have 62 of them. That means there is 62 navigations. So you see, like, just want to make sure I'm getting the right elements. So there are basically 62 different choices that we'll need to get. That's a lot. Yeah, but that is how you select it. And then when we get in there, then we can, of course, just get the image, which is Android. So let's see here. So we get there, and then it's kind of like a triangulation. So here is the image. We'll need this image. This is the ID. So we'll need to get access, and this is the image, right? This is the image. So we have two classes. The first one is we use this class, that kind of like the including class, to get the div, and then inside that div we can make more queries. So we can say, hey, give us the image that have this property, for example. We could do that, and then we can also ask it a title. But yeah, see you in the next video. These are the two classes we will need.